Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix run as administrator networking in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. In this video, we'll be performing two methods. The first one is at the bottom search bar, you need to type for changed user account. The moment you've typed it, the best match, which is the changed user account control settings, will appear. Click on Open to continue. Once you have clicked it, this user account control settings window will appear. Here you need to change this notify me only when apps try to make changes to my computer and to notify me when apps try to make changes to my computer done at Team Desktop. Click on OK to apply, and your user account will ask you to say yes. Just proceed to yes so that you would be able to complete the action. Here you need to check if your run as administrator is not working. Unless if it doesn't, then let's move on to the second method, which is again at the bottom search bar, type netplwiz. Again, it is netplwiz, and go with the best matched. Click on open to continue. Here in the user account window, you would be able to see all the user accounts that you've logged in your computer. Just select the user account that you are currently logged in with. Once done, proceed to Properties, and in this new tab, proceed to Group Membership and make sure that it is an administrator to have a complete access to the computer and can make any desired changes based on notification settings. Administrator may be asked to provide a password and confirmation before making changes that affect other users. Click on Apply and OK. Once done, click on OK, and then you need to sign out to apply any changes. Okay, so that's it. Hopefully, this video helps you. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care, everyone.